G'day, here's a lower grade parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted to help show the patterns and colour. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, just gone in a bit closer. These are basically offcuts, they're not high quality. The price reflects that. Little stone on the end there. Nice patterns on the back. Cut that off. And just shape it up. Here's a piece of Koroite. Nice pattern. A little bit of colour coming into it in a couple of spots there. It's thick enough that you can make a couple of slices. There's a bit of purple showing on the end. I'd like to slice it that way. It's up to you. See, with a little stone perhaps on the end. Piece like that. Bar of colour through the centre there, so you need to cut the top of it off and grind down. It's just a piece of boulder, use that as backing for a doublet. Follow that around there, like a little stone. Interesting pattern. And there's a few other pieces there just thrown in. Something like this, you need to grind this off here and you've got a natural concave, convex to work on as a dome. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.